Do you want to know how you can slow and zoom any movie or video on Prime Videos? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can slow and zoom any movie or series on Amazon Prime. So go ahead and open Prime Video on your phone and make sure you have a paid account. So let's go ahead and start this series over here. Let's go ahead and click resume. And you can see the series has started, so I'm going to teach you how you can zoom in. So go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right and click zoom, and you can see that you can zoom in, and you can't exactly slow it down, but you can go back and watch it again, and you can pause it and play it and watch the same scene which you want to watch. And that is it, guys. You can't exactly slow it down, but you can reverse it and watch it again to have more clarity. So guys, this is how you slow and zoom any type of movie or series on Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.